This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into iCloud with the same Apple ID that held the contacts. That's critical. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is stable and your iPhone has at least 50% battery or is plugged in. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and Verify Contacts toggle is enabled. If it's off, you may see a prompt to merge or delete. Choose Merge to bring iCloud contacts onto the device. This initiates the basic restore handshake with Apple's servers. If contacts don't appear, force a sync by toggling contacts off and then on again. When prompted, choose Merge to import cloud entries into local storage. If that fails, sign out of iCloud entirely and sign back in. This forces a fresh sync with Apple's servers. Meanwhile, open iCloud. Com in a browser and verify your contacts exist there. That confirms they're safe in the cloud. Make sure you wait a minute or two after re-enabling sync, so the device can finish downloading all records. When toggles and re-signing don't recover everything, go to iCloud. Com on a computer, open Account Settings, and use Restore Contacts under Advanced to pick an archive. This rolls your contacts back to that archived state. Remember, this can overwrite recent edits, so pick the right archive date. Once restored, give your iPhone a few minutes to sync. If contacts still won't appear, try signing into iCloud on another device to rule out device issues. And if needed, contact Apple support for account-level recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.